Welcome back to the Tech Pandas, everybody, where we give you honest feedback on technology after some real-world usage. And today we are going to bid farewell and give our condolences to this MX Master 3S mouse. We've been using this mouse for about 2 years now, and it is the best mouse we've ever had. The ergonomics, the functionality, the button placement, the button feel. There's a good weight to everything. There's good affirmative just feedback when you press the buttons. Scroll wheel right here has a good amount of damping to it. It's just a really great mouse. Unfortunately, this left button is going AWOL and it's not registering the clicks anymore. Currently, there is the Master 4 available for $120, which is $20 more than what this one costs. And in the name of saving some bucks, we looked for some budget options. Enter the Keychron M6. A nice braided USB-C cable, although inside it feels like the wires are very minimal. Some adapters and some dongles if you want to take advantage of the maximum polling rate. And there is the M6. Right off the bat, you can see that the shape is similar to the MX Master 3. You can see that the MX is a little bit wider because you have this extra button here that this one lacks. This can connect to multiple devices, which is great. And it also has a report rate and DPI selector, so you can change your settings based on what you're doing. This is kind of a dual purpose mouse, productivity and gaming. Right off the bat, this thing does not feel great. It is almost to the point that it's too light. It feels very cheap. The plastic has a soft coating to it, so there is a little bit of extra grip. But between this and the Logitech, there is an immediate difference in the weight and how it feels in the hand. This definitely feels several steps above in build quality, which you can't really knock it for because this is a budget mouse, to say the least. Feel of the buttons is pretty good. It's not exactly the same, but it's close. This wheel right here feels very chintzy compared to this. This feels like there's actual damping to it, almost like a hydraulic feeling. This just feels bare bones compared to that. The buttons on the side here with the thumb, there's less of an affirmative click to it. It feels a bit spongy. These feel very mechanical. Button in the middle. There's a lot more travel in the M6, and it takes a lot more force to get the button to go. I mean, there really is no comparison. Logitech feels a lot better. This isn't horrible, but back to back, I would definitely pick this. Plan is to use the M6 for the next couple of weeks and see how we get along with it. In the meantime, we might take this MX Master 3S apart and see if we can solve the issue with the left click button and revive it. But until then, it's exclusively this guy. If you've had experience with both of these, drop a comment, let us know what to expect. Until then, we'll see you in a couple weeks.